Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. My greetings goes to estimate Chief Guest of Divisional Magistrate Janapura, respected officers accompanying you were the Principal Sir, Zario Sir, staff members and students. The glow of the star is the witness of your life. The hush of the light is the witness of your peace. The strength of the mountain is the strength of your might. The bloom of the rose is the witness of your release. The hush of the wind is the witness of your grace. The pulse of the earth is the witness of your peace. The breath in our chest is a witness that you are there. As the first light of dawn graces the world, we gather here, not merely to mark the beginning of a new school day, but to pause, reflect, and realign ourselves with the positivity, purpose, and the divine blessings that sustain us. This event is a reminder that each day is a fresh page, a new opportunity, and a silent touch of our will, faith, unity, and discipline. I am Tabinda on behalf of HSS Janapura. It's my honor to lead today's program. May it not only ignite your minds, but also enrich your souls. Let's begin this program by seeking the blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala first, who is the most gracious, the most merciful. For your presence has addressed significance of child for this gathering. Your Janam leadership from nature has changed the scenario of sub-district Janapura. Within 4 weeks of your journey in the sub-district, your dedication to public service is truly inspiring. It's a blessing for all of us, and once again, your presence here is a dream come true for us. Wisdom is not a product of education, it's a result of lifetime learning. For words of wisdom and expertise, let's invite personality of the occasion, none other than Bilal Sir SDM Janapura, with huge round of applause and appreciation. Please welcome SDM Sir on the stage.
Change is must. Change is must. It is not that whatever you have learned, whatever the style it has been, whatever the role you have taken or the role models you have, it does not mean you have to held on it. There might be situations, there might be circumstances, and in this era of technology, where everything is led by and everything changes in minute seconds, you have to change yourself sometimes. It depends upon the circumstances, the situations you are facing. You can change yourself, you can lead forward. But I would request you all, wherever it is, like you see our teachers would be witness to it, you see how the classroom structure, how the classroom delivery has changed. In our times, it was only a chalk and board style. Nowadays, you see how the smart classrooms, how the other things have come up, and how beneficial are they in the classroom. And along with the laboratory system, library system, all these things have dynamically changed, and diversity has been there, and you know how much resource, how much capabilities, how much capacities have increased in every field. So as a student, as a learner as a knowledge, wherever you want to go, you take that knowledge forward. Wherever you want to go, you have to grasp that moment. So I request you all, you have to grasp this moment and lead forward. And I would again repeat that thing, that you have to change yourself as well with the changing time. Might be like this thing, there has been a famous example, I have been quoting it from Memorial itself, that the example of the cockroach and the dinosaur. In evolution, dinosaur has come before this cockroach has come before the dinosaur in our evolution times. But when we see cockroach is still living, but dinosaur has gone extinct. So that is how it is. Because cockroach has, in all times together, they have seen all changes. They have seen all things. And he has evolved itself in such a situation that really he can live at that time in the dinosaur's time, and currently he is living too. But dinosaur was of this thinking that this world is for him, that this world would change, but he would not change. But ultimately this world has changed itself like that dinosaurs have gone extinct. So situation should not be like this. As a student, as a teacher, as being an administrator, situation should not be like this, that a day is the end of everything. Or the day when you are successful, this does not mean in the whole world, I am the only one who is capable of this thing. The world is changing, the scenarios are changing, the ceilings or the bars which have been set up, they have been taken as a challenge, and new records are being shaken. So you have to take track of all these things and evolve as a student. This culture of from first class to the 8th class, then passing your 10th standard examination, you have to change a bit. You have to change your style. The circumstances are different. Your curriculum is different. Your studies material is totally different. The time you have to spend on your studies, that needs to change. The time you have been given for your preparation, the other things that has to be taken care of, and ultimately the practical part of it. What knowledge you are taking from this. It is not all about examination. It is about this thing, ultimately what you are getting out of this thing from the concept wise, the things which will remain for you for your whole life with you. These things have to be taken care of, especially in the science subjects where most of these qualifiers will be taking forward. There, the thing is that you have to take care of the practical aspect of it. The practical aspect is very, very much the need of the hour, very much the need of the society, and very much the need of your subject. This only goes well when you are good in that part of it. That means your concept, your style of thinking, your observing of things, that needs to be taken care of beyond your routine curriculum. Routine question answer sessions, that needs to be taken care with the observations, the things you see in your environment, the things you observe. Everything student has to answer himself. He has to question himself, he has to get the answers, and he has to take it forward. That is what we want from you people as well. So I request you all that taking these people forward, you have a mission on your hand, first hand, that you have to see them as your role models and work on your fields and take it forward. And second most important thing, whenever you choose your subject or your profession, or you want to dream for something, it is not the end. And when you see failures in that dream or something like that, it is again not the end of that. So I request you all, along with my colleagues, myself too, that whenever we see in our life something is not going as per our plan, this is not the end of it. We have a new day. We can work on together. We can see the things in a better perspective, and we can frame a proper plan to get it done. That is how it is. Currently, many students here on my left or in front of me, they would be dreaming big. This is the right time to dream big. But for dreaming big, you have to work for it. You have to stand for it, and you have to work together in many aspects. You have to take your time. You have to give time to your studies. You have to see things as per the need of the hour. Then only the things would go as per proper plan. On my left, all the toppers of our subdivision. Again, from your side, I want a huge round of applause for them. They have made us proud, and we wish them all the success in their futures, and wherever they need me as a person, as an officer, or in any aspect of their future or career, I'm always available to you people. You can contact me anywhere, anyway, whatever you want. And for you people, these are the role models. These are the people who have led this subdivision for a grand success this year. And we wish next year, many of you would be here on this chair. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for gracing the occasion and delivering a thought-provoking speech. Your insightful words had a lasting impact on us. Thank you once again for your valuable guidance and support. We appreciate your contributions to our community. May Allah bless you and us all. Now